So I want to say that it's a really bad thing for parents not to support their children's entrepreneurial journey. So before I go straight to points, I want to give a shout out to my parents. I want to tell you that I'm actually grateful that you supported me throughout my entrepreneurial journey. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. So back to why we're here in this video. If your parents don't support your entrepreneurial journey, I'm really sorry for you. So I'll be giving you an example first. I ran an ad for people to tell me the problems they are facing. And one of the replies I got was from a guy. He was complaining about his parents and how they don't support him. Permit me to read it from the screen. Okay, so he said, the funniest part is that they don't want me to go and find something doing, rather, they want me to stay in the shop. So, this guy wants to do something else, and his parents want him to do something else. So, the advice I have for you is that you should do what your parents want and have a side hustle. Now I'll be defining what a side hustle is. A side hustle is any type of employment undertaken in addition to one's full-time job. So it is generally a freelance or piece of work in nature to provide a supplementary income. So while you're doing what your parents ask you to do, have something else that you're doing along to have more income. So what I told this guy, when he told me this, I asked him what he liked doing. So he said he was interested in sewing and fashion. So I told him to learn a skill, that is learn tailoring. So he can do this as his side hustle. He can sew clothes as a side hustle. While when he comes back from his friend's shop by 5, then he could sew clothes between 6 to 7. But the thing is that he must not sew clothes. He can run a school, for a tailoring school. He can do so many things with that skill he has learned from tailoring. So do what your parents want you to do and also have something that you're doing aside. Once your parents discover that you're doing well in this side hustle, they might allow you to go full time. So do your side hustle and generate your income until they allow you to go free. So that is the advice I have for you guys today. If you need me to make a videos on various side hustles you can do in addition to your full-time job, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and thank you for coming to the end of this video. I'm really grateful. Have a nice day. God bless you.